Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to demonstrate that you can find contacts on Pinterest. So to begin with, you might want to open settings of the app in order to enable the synchronization for your contacts. While at the settings, enter the privacy and data category, and in here make sure to turn on the store your contacts toggle. Then tap the upload contacts button, grant all the necessary permissions. So basically, whether you are on an Android or iOS based device, it doesn't really matter, just grant the contacts permission to the app. On iOS in particular, I can do that by opening the apps page in the settings, and in here, as you can see, my contacts permission or access is switched on. And then we suggest that you reload the app, and you will be able to find all your contacts at the messages section or page in their respective contacts section over here. Alrighty, so that will be it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.